The great thing about the village, I just harvested these freshest water leaves. I want to use them to prepare a dikai kong. Next, I'll go to the market to buy ugu because my mother-in-law doesn't have any grown ugu at this time, so I'll buy them from the market. Ooh, ooh. Look at how fresh they are. There's a lot of sand on them because it rained last night, and the sand is from the splashes from the rain. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We're going to the market. Another Nkwo market day. Today is not really Nkwo, but that market is a daily market because this town is quite developed. So it's a daily market. I'm going with my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law said that she's not looking good today, that she doesn't want to show her face. So you guys tell me how she looks today. Hey, if I get the Kawa, I get to get Ghana, ni Keza familia Yugam. I just test them Ukwakaragaka. Mock, you do it in Japan, and I had China. You do it in Japan, you just test them. There's a stream or spring water, I don't know. I need to go there to, confirm which one it is. Here, where they say that there's a steep hill there. That's where they test your wife material. When they marry you newly, they take you to that spring, or I don't know, more or you go so spring water. So yeah, they will take you there to test your wife material. They didn't test mine because I come correct. But now 15 years later, they've woken up. They said they're going to test me there. So here we are with my niece and MIL. Hey, mama the mama. You know what like our own. Hey, look at the fafia that my mother-in-law bought for me. Opa! I'm enjoying it with malt, so it's my brunch. Ma will enjoy hers with Vita milk. She's peeling egusi. Like I always say, there's always something to do in this village. They don't even regard peeling egusi as a job. They tell you it's what they use to relax after the real job. See the one she peeled. Look at how she peels it. Check and no say. That's how she'll be counting this and peel millions and millions of seeds of egusi that you use to cook one pot of egusi soup. But most of the ones you buy in the shops, in the African food shops, are peeled with machines. They don't peel it by hand. But these are the ones she got from her farm, so she's not in a hurry to peel it. Okay.
It's a good on 6 months or no? Mild aspirations.
Okay.
But once you will France, Jinko may be but
I have no reason.
You can each on 1 year, Jan or do.
Okay. Okay. Let's cut the okpa open. You can see that they used palm fruit to cook it instead of palm oil. This is the proof. This is from palm fruit. This thing from Banga. Ooh. Look at that. Golden delicious. Yeah. After eating this one and my mouth, now to go and sleep first round of siesta. Hey, I take my siesta as well in Niger. Hey, madre. These are egusi seeds with the peels. We sprinkled some water on it so that it will be easy to peel. See already peeled ones with the peels. Later they will toss and blow. toss, pull, and blow off the skin or the peels. Are you happy that I'm showing you where what you eat comes from? Are you? Good morning, guys. They just called me that the palm tree climber is here. I've missed so many opportunities, so I just jumped out and came out. I've not even washed my mouth. So if you hear any nyang nyang sound, just bear with me. I have to catch this before I miss this opportunity again. And it's raining now. It's rainy season. And when it rains, you can't climb the palm tree. So this is a very good opportunity. Look at the corn behind me. Hey, isn't it beautiful? That's the palm tree climber. That's the palm tree he's going to climb. The one on the right, you can see, if you look, you see the fruit is ripe. You see? The fruit is ripe. This one on the left here is ripe. So that's why he's climbing. Look at, he's already climbing. Look at that tiny metallic rope that he's using. Oh my God, in my hometown, this is not the kind of thing they use. At least the last time I saw a palm tree climber. Wow. 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 Madre mia. This is an art. Hey! Gini be ha mfe pulu dia. Otu aka uzo asi efe. Hey! Ona efe kwe ka nnụnụ biko. What the hell? Nekwa. He will first of all cut off the palm fronds that are supporting the fruit. Ooh. That's it. Only one ripe one. The other one there, there's another fruit there. This one is not ripe yet. That's it. Job done. He's coming down already. 1 second job. Of course, he climbed the tree, but yeah. He did. Wow, Otu nunu si ari nkwu adikwa egwu akwa modern technology. Afunu bekwa mode nka. Ito kan say gigin kila me. Ila so ahi ila rucha ahi n'ubi gi. Let's go and look at our bounty. Ooh. You see that? And you see these ones that fell off. My mother-in-law is bringing a pan so we can pick these ones and then carry this one home. See where it made the impact. Bush, bush, bush. Mangwa wete pan ka itotowa. Nka wan ke chanye. Okay, on kwen ko bele chanye. There's one on this one as well. You see this ripe one there? Yeah. You'll climb this one as well. Okay, now 2 there on this one. Of course. Once or characha, bring them down, I beg. Let me run away because if this thing falls on you. Hey. Obutu go nka, ọ na-alizi nka ka obutu kwue. Nsị gị ihe dị ka magic afụrụbe m ụdị iri nkwa agbakwa mmadụ agụla upgrade go to this one. Nna real computer age, you got digital climbing of palm tree. From Malaysia. I doubt man, Malaysia is akaji ha. Exactly, they took the first palm fruit from us, but now they've gone far. Nah, unkunka no adekwa skin you. All like that. If you're gonna shake. Push, 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 push. Usually there's a palm frond supporting the fruit, so he will have to take off the palm frond first, and then he will be able to get to the palm fruit. He needs to use a very sharp machete and then hold it very tight, because if it falls off, he will need to come down and pick it before he goes. Nkele chatola chato. Other sister. Boy. He said there are 2 of them, so he's moving on to the next one. Now this knife falls off his hands and lands here, madre. Yes, I am scanning. Last, you will scan. I scan everything, oh. Oh, buchale. Am I going to charge you? Ofu ego ne
100 naira.
Otu orire nke anụnwa dị nwere ebo mba nwere ebo n'isi ya ogbo ha na abụ ị ga-akwa 100 naira.
Ị makwa ihe ala akọrọ.
Iri nkwa dị okwu izi o. I'm pretty sure adịm sure n'obodo anyị mechagodo mma ajụ ma omi. Adịm sure n'obodo anyị na no, I didn't show no, but I no na la charge. Ihe anu ha jare nkwa dikwa egwu. Because nobody ihe na-eji wete eta akwụrụ akwụ. The thing na amaka mana ọwọ mmadụ niile ga-eji nwe ya were nkwu because ọ dịghọkwa izi. Otu na o si ekonye ji ekofu ekonye ji ekofu. Eji nkwu ya ada elu. Ode ya self obukwa na ịdị ha kefu ọkwa na nke a ka mmadụ ga-ada enu because ọ support ha azụ ya.